All right, in this video, we are going to see how to use the embedded calculator in eDoctrina to perform a tangent function that we need in calculating the area of a regular polygon. So let's just say you're looking at a test question that looks something like this. What is the area of the hexagon? We have our area formula given right here, and I've already plugged in the number of sides, which is 6, and the side length, which is given as 2. So, opening up the calculator, this looks pretty similar to most other scientific calculators that you may have used, but I just want to make sure that you can navigate this. I can see before I even start that my calculator is in degree mode. It's important that it be in degree mode. If it's not, and you see something other than degrees here, you've got to change that. So you can click mode, and then right at the top here, we can switch back and forth between degrees or radians. If your calculator is in radians, you got to make sure to switch that to degrees. You can hit enter and then hit clear, and we're back to where we can start to type this in. So I like to put the numerator in its own parentheses to make sure everything happens in the correct order. Open that parentheses and then 6 times 2 squared, close the parentheses, and now I will divide by and put my denominator in parentheses as well. 4 times, and now I need to get to my tangent function, and for that my trig functions are under the secondary button right here. So second and then trig, and now I can choose between sine, cosine, or tangent. I want tangent, so I'll hit 3, and now within the parentheses for tangent I need to type 180 divided by 6. I'll close the parentheses for the tangent function, close the parentheses for the denominator. And when I hit enter, I find a area for this hexagon of 10.39 square inches.